was into this guy with rock and roll tattoos. He didn't care. He dyed his hair, and he had nothing at all to say. Riding around in a remote part of the town with giant shades. Guess who got laid? They were not ready for love. Love wasn't ready for any of them. It will show where you stand when the shit hits the fan. You be taking a bow and plugging out from the amplifier. It will cease to exist with your 10-digit mix. What a beautiful sight, a glorious night at the amplifier. At the amplifier, a big crowd rally. Can't pay the price of honesty. Vicious attacks behind your backs. The thickening clock's ticking on. What we do when the bomb goes off. It will show where you stand when the shit hits the fan. You be taking a bow and plugging out from the amplifier. You will cease to exist with your 10-digit mix. What a beautiful sight, a glorious night at the amplifier. At the amplifier. So here goes your joke. You know no one likes a fool. I might be bold and mean, but I'm just coming clean. You're the worst band that I've ever seen. It will show where you stand when the shit hits the fan. You be taking a bow and plugging out from the amplifiers. You will cease to exist with your 10-digit mix. What a beautiful sight, a glorious night at the amplifier. Now I'm done, now I'm through, spilling crap all over you. Opinions of mine.